Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a zine using a rectangular sheet of paper. A zine is short for magazine and is an alternative way to make a small book at home or at school. Let's go ahead and get started. To begin, use your rectangular sheet of paper and fold it hamburger style, making sure your edges are touching and your crease is finely folded. Open up your paper and fold hot dog style, again ensuring that all of your corners are touching. I use my index finger to put it together and make sure that they're connected. Open your paper back up, and then you're going to fold the exterior sides into the center to end up making 8 rectangular shapes. These are going to be all of the pages for your book. And so you want to make sure that it's lining up as nicely as possible, and also remembering that it's not going to be perfect the first time. Go ahead and get your scissors, and you're going to make a tricky cut right in the center. So I say tricky because it might seem a little weird, but you are cutting it on the inside part of the paper towards the center. Once you're done with that cut, open up your book, and you can see, based on the video, how I turn it into a small book just by folding it into what almost looks like a diamond. I'll show that step again because I know it's a little tricky. Here you can see how the pages start to come together. And so you fold it just like that, creating almost like a square. And I go ahead and label my pages, so front, first, second, third, fourth, so that I can open it up and work on my zine flat. Once you're ready, you can go ahead and get started on coloring and making your zine. I made my zine on how to make a zine, and I used Sharpies, colored paper, scissors, and glue to decorate it and put it together. I made a materials list, a steps list, and some simple calligraphy and colors to make it look pretty. If you decide to make a zine on a how-to, you can use a similar type of format, or you can also make a zine about anything else that you want. I like to pick a theme and an intention to be able to help me in organizing my zine, but you can also make a zine just based on anything that you want. It could be something about yourself, it could be something that you want to share with the world, etc. Once you complete your zine, one of the fun things about it is that you can scan and print it. So since it's just one page, you use a flatbed scanner to scan it and print it and share it with your friends. This was my simple tutorial on how to make a one-page zine. For this tutorial, I used an 11 by 14 sheet of paper, but you can use an 8.5 by 11 regular copy print paper or any other rectangular paper to do this. I hope this was helpful for you guys and that you're able to create your own.